Transform your Medium articles from dense text to scannable, engaging content by mastering the art of bullet points. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly add bullet points to your Medium stories. This simple formatting technique is a game changer for readability and organization. Let's get started. When you're writing your story on Medium, select the text you want to turn into a bulleted list as soon as you highlight it. A formatting toolbar will pop up just above your text. Look for the icon that resembles 3 dots or dashes in a vertical line. This is your bullet point button. Simply click on it. And just like that, your selected text is now a beautifully organized bulleted list. Each line becomes a distinct point, making your information much easier for your readers to digest. Now, what if you're starting a new list from scratch? It's just as easy. Place your cursor where you want your list to begin and click the bullet point icon in the formatting toolbar. A bullet point will appear, and you can start typing your first item. When you're finished with that item, simply press the Enter key. Medium will automatically add another bullet point for your next item. Continue typing and pressing Enter to build your complete list. For those who love keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. While your cursor is in an empty line or you have text selected, you can also use the keyboard shortcut often. This involves pressing the Control key and the letter L simultaneously on a PC, or the Command key and L on a Mac. Using bullet points is a simple yet powerful way to improve your articles. It enhances clarity, guides your reader's eye, and makes complex information more accessible. So go ahead. Experiment with bullet points and watch your Medium content shine.